signing. Today we will be signing the agreement on my personal account on behalf of the All India Bank Officers Confederation. Though I am not totally happy with my expectation, but I was expecting to take care of the issues of our officers, particularly on load. We wanted to. But when you come as an EOQ and when we have our retired comrades or members, officers, for the IBA is also thinking to improve all their benefits. So despite being not getting something up to the expectation and being disappointed personally, so taking everything into account and moving as a team as a EOQ, we have no option but to accept it with a positive frame of mind that in the further negotiations, the issues will be taken to the right spirit, so that the aspirations are taken.
From my side, nothing except to congratulate each one of you for this excellent, work. From my side, nothing except to congratulate each one of you for this excellent, work and also conclusion what we have reached. And whatever the settlement that today we have reached, it is a landmark, because never we have taken all the people who are involved in the industry. This is the first time where 7 lakh bank employees and more than 7 lakh pensioners was taken care. So this has been possible.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का। सो MOU यहाँ पे ऑफिशियली कॉपी जो है वो साइन हो चुकी है, उसको आप विद सिग्नेचर यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। सो फाइनली अ वेरी गुड एंड ग्रेट अपडेट फॉर ऑल द पेंशनर्स एज वेल एज फॉर द बैंकर्स। हैप्पी। सो गुड इंक्रीज इन द ग्रोथ सैलरी। सो यहाँ पे क्या एग्जैक्ट इंक्रीज हुआ है उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे अमंग ऑल ऑफ यू। सो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक कर देना और यहाँ पे चैनल को दोस्तों जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग एंड पेंशन रिलेटेड अपडेट्स के लिए। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बिग अपडेट यहाँ पे डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो दीज आर द साइंस ऑफ वेरियस ऑल इंडिया बैंक एम्प्लॉयज़ एसोसिएशन, MB रॉय, MD एंड CEO, सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया जो कि चेयरमैन थे नेगोशिएटिंग कमेटी के, ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफिसर कन्फेडरेशन EIBOC, और शांतिलाल जैन जी, MD एंड CEO इंडियन बैंक। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं NCBE, नेशनल कन्फेडरेशन ऑफ बैंकिंग एम्प्लॉयज़, इंडियन नेशनल बैंक ऑफिसर कांग्रेस। सो यहाँ पे MD एंड CEO IDBI बैंक एंड बैंक एम्प्लॉयज़ बेफी। सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ऑल द पार्टीज हैव साइंड वेरी काफ़ी साइंस हैं। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द मेमोरेंडम। सो मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिटवीन इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन representing the management of banks which are parties to the bipartite settlement and united form of bank union. So other union and associations on the basis of discussion जो कि अभी 7 दिसंबर 2023 को हैपन हुई है on the base revision. So discussions were held between the IBA Indian Bank Association representing management of banks and the authorized representatives of workmen unions and officer associations on wage revision for officers and workmen in banks. The management and the union and association representing the workmen, staff and officer acknowledge the need for a robust banking system which is adaptive to the challenges facing the banking industry and the need to further improve the productivity, efficiency and responsiveness to the need of customers and various stakeholders. So with this commitment it has been agreed to resolve the pending base settlement issue and entered into MOU as under. तो क्या MOU है? The wage revision will be effective from 1st November 2022 for a period of 5 years. Okay, good. Annual increase in salary and allowances is agreed at 17%, तो 17% के ऊपर होंगी of the annual pay slip expenses for financial year 21-22 which works out। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं 12,449 करोड़ फॉर ऑल पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक इंक्लूडिंग स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। तो दिस इज़ द मेन बर्डन। तो ये बर्डन डलेगा 12,449 करोड़ का। द न्यू पे स्केल्स will be constructed after merging the dearness allowance corresponding to 8088 points. तो यहाँ पे मर्जर हुआ है. Average index points as applicable for the quarter of July, August and September 2021 to the basic pay as on 31st October 2022 and adding thereon a load of 3% amounting to 1795 crores. तो यहाँ पे 3% का लोड यहाँ पे उन्होंने लिया है. So friends, distribution of annual wage revision between workmen and officers will be worked out separately and proportionally based on the breakup of establishment expenses for financial year 21 and 22. So without prejudice to the demand of union and associations for updation of pension for all retirees, it is also agreed that as a one-time measure applicable for the current bipartite joint note period, monthly ex gratia amount will be considered along with pension by PSBs to the pensioners and family pensioners who are drawing pension as on 31st October 2022. Right friends, the applicability of the said ex gratia for the retirees of the current settlement period will be discussed further. The said ex gratia amount will not extract any other allowance including dearness allowance. जो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे जो एक्स ग्रेशिया द सेड एक्स ग्रेशिया अमाउंट विल नॉट एक्सट्रैक्ट एनी अदर अलाउंस इंक्लूडिंग डियरनेस अलाउंस. सो डियरनेस अलाउंस के अलावा वो इंक्लूड नहीं करेगा. विल नॉट अट्रैक्ट एनी अदर अलाउंस इंक्लूडिंग डियरनेस अलाउंस. The parties will meet on mutually convenient date to draw a detailed bipartite settlement joint note on various issues on which common positions are reached. The parties will endeavor to finalize the bipartite settlement and join within a period of 180 days. तो 6 months का टाइम यहाँ पे मांगा है from the date of the minutes. So IBA has already recommended to the government for declaration of all Saturdays as holidays under NI Act for banking industry in line with the earlier negotiation with the union and association, and the same will be pursued. The unions and association urged for implementation of same before signing off the final bipartite settlement and joint note. So all other issues of management and union and association discussed during the process of negotiation, including payment of ex gratia to pensioners and family pensioners of private sector banks and foreign banks, will be settled to the mutual satisfaction. So this is a full circular. So hopefully आपने यहाँ पे देख लिया होगा. So this was the circular we have been waiting since morning and finally minutes. तो 180 दिन का टाइम और लगेगा and so we have to wait. 180 दिन का वेट. अब आप डिस्कस करोगे एरियर कितना बन जाएगा हमारा, तो वो सब बातें होती रहेंगी और एग्जैक्ट कैलकुलेशंस काफ़ी चीज़ें मैं डिस्कस करूँगा. So this is the shortcut view. 17% increase in payslip post, additional loading of 3% after merger of DA, improvement in pension for all the pensioners from 1986 including retirees under proposed 12th bipartite settlement. तो ये सब होने वाला है दोस्तों आज अभी. So this is a very big day. So 17% increase, नॉट सो गुड नॉट सो बैड. अगर 20 हो जाता सो इट विल बी वेरी गुड और लोड फैक्टर 3 से 4 हो जाता. सो होपफुली what happens is good. So this is the big update that we have been waiting since morning. So 17% इंक्रीज मिला है. So that's a quite big and good and 3% का लोड फैक्टर है. सो इसको शेयर कर देना. It's my request and please subscribe to channel for the latest banking, pension and related अपडेट्स के लिए यहाँ पे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना फ्रेंड्स. सो दैट्स इट. दिस इज़ द फाइनल कंक्लूजन वी आर ड्राइंग फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस सेशन. बाय बाय. टेक केयर ऑल.